How to set up your privacy settings on Venmo. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. There are multiple privacy settings on Venmo that you can set up so that the payments that you make are available to you or other people as well. In order to set up and check the privacy settings, what you need to do is tap on the Me section on the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on the Me section, you're going to see a balance and the settings icon on the top right of the screen. Just tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, you'll be able to see the option called privacy. Just tap on the privacy option. Inside of the privacy settings, you'll see the section which says default privacy settings. Settings are by default made private, which means the payment is visible to sender and the recipient only. Now, if you want to change that from private to either friends or public, you can just tap on one of these options, and the settings will be changed from private to either friends or public. If you select the friends option, it's going to be visible to the sender, recipient, and their Venmo friends as well. So for example, if you send a payment, the recipient will be able to view the amount as well as their friends will be able to see the amount or the transaction that you just made. Otherwise, if you want, you can also make it public, which means everyone on the internet will be able to view these transactions. So depending upon what you need these settings for, you can choose your settings. Just tap on these options. Privacy settings will be immediately changed. So that's the way that you set up privacy settings on Venmo. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it from my side. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.